Today's cocktail is the cock and bull. You don't have to bleep this, it's not like that. I said today's drink is the cock and bull. Seriously, I'm not saying what you think I'm saying. I said cock in bull. Bull with a U. Bull. Fine, I give up. I'm not going to say it for now. I'm being muzzled on my own show, and I don't fucking appreciate it. Let's just have the victory shot. This victory shot is also a gift from daughter of a Rick, and you can call her Kern. Kern, you did good. Today's cocktail is named after a famous restaurant on the Hollywood Strip. The Cock and Bull. Okay, knock it off. The Cock and Bull. This drink is the whole package, though it's slung with citrus notes. It's far from low-hanging fruit. Let's whip one out. A dash of bitters. 1/4 ounce of Curacao. Nope, I mean orange Curacao. But first we have to have ourselves a shot. It's almost as good as mine. That's good. Half ounce of cognac, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. The lady at the liquor store said this was smooth, and she wasn't lying. Three-quarter ounce of bourbon, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. That was a healthy shot. Three-quarter ounce of D.O.M Benedictine, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. I love D.O.M. And those cocktails that D.O.M is in are fantastic. And that's the Cock and Bull. Today's word of wisdom is lacking. When something is lacking, it's weak or undercooked, half-baked, like something didn't spend enough time in the proverbial oven. It seems like if somebody would have spent a little more time preparing, something great could have come from this. Because today's word of wisdom is lacking, I don't even know what we're trying to impart. It's hard to teach when the very core of your material is lacking. Not only is the word lacking, the subject is void of any certain direction as well. Usually when something is lacking, it's because someone's been slacking. I think we all know who I'm talking about. This drink is the whole package. That wasn't in there. Okay, it sure is. I don't remember that. It's far from... Oh my God. Okay.